on this week's episode.
I'm mad irritated, but I'm working on my irritation. I didn't get sent the address. You are so behind right now. I'm pissed. So irritated. I knew it was iffy in the beginning. Irritated.com. She's like, I need to reschedule. No one has appointments, but you can get a restraining order anytime, baby. Let me tell y'all about my luck. Not the week I had, but then it's like they try to ban me. My bundle started smoking. I'm pissed. So I'm mad irritated, but I'm working on my irritation. Like, I hate when stylists don't have any sort of contact information in their bio. Like, I didn't get sent the address. I'm about to go, and I'm thinking, like, where am I going? I don't got no address. So like, now I don't have no time to stop. I'm hungry as hell, and I'm gonna have to DoorDash some food to her salon. It's just, but it's okay, because you know what, I'm on the way and I'm breathing, and it's okay. All right. Real Atlanta girl got me a Waffle House chicken biscuit, and we about to be on the way. This about to make me in a better mood right here. But let me put my strawberry jelly on my, oh, I don't know what y'all missing. Look at that. Waffle House got the best. I should have got a knife, but you know, you make zoo what is zoo, baby. But yeah, I know y'all know about the Waffle House chicken biscuit. They biscuits are a banger. Okay. And now we are on the way. So she's like halfway blow drying somebody's hair right now. I don't know what she's getting, but you are so behind right now. I'm pissed. So irritated. But I can't be mad at her because I guess it was my fault. I don't know how the tape-ins work, and I retaped them, and I retaped them all wrong. So I have to go back tomorrow at 11, but I'm just pissed. Like, I had a whole day. I was supposed to do a whole photo shoot. Like, I'm just irritated at this point. I'm just going to go home and go to sleep and try it again tomorrow. But I don't know if my photo shoot can happen because, girl, I'm just irritated. I have like 3 tapes in my head because those were good. So my head just looks crazy. I have to put it in a bun because I have 3 tapes in my head. I knew it was iffy. Like,
turn left to I-285
okay,
east
to
I-75.
I knew it was iffy in the beginning. Like, when I didn't have her number. I just knew the appointment was just gonna be trash after that. And it was. Not her fault, but I'm irritated. Must be a Florida versus ECU. Irritated.com. I'm like in a mood where like nobody should talk to me. So she told me, because I retaped my tapes wrong, which she didn't give me no instructions on how to do it, come back or whatever. I was like, okay. I was mad because it was Saturday. I was supposed to get my hair done, but okay, Sunday I still had something to do, so it's okay. 30 minutes before I was supposed to go to the appointment, she's like, I need to reschedule. I mean, she gave me a time like Monday to the end. Like, first of all, you can't give me the time, I give you the time. And who can make that? She got shit to do. Like, what are you talking about? And then it's Valentine's Day weekend. No one has appointments, bro. Like, it is just so. I had to go get, child, we had a whole debacle. Like, I don't even want to talk about it because I was about to go to Old Jordan for real. But I am on my little godly thing, so I got my tape-ins back. And yeah, I'll probably just use that hair for boho braids because I don't know how to retape them, and I don't know anyone else that wears tape-ins, so yeah. So I got me some more bundles, and hopefully this girl on Thursday does well, and we shall see, because of course Atlanta Hairstylist, like, she, and then it was a lot. I have an appointment with my lawyer I'm not gonna miss. First off, you should know your own schedule. Second of all, nobody has no lawyer has an appointment on Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. Like, do you think I'm dumb? And then she was saying, like, first of all, she was very unprofessional the whole time. I heard her whole conversation, right? So I know that she was going to get a restraining order today or whatever. That's what she said on the, when she was on the phone. But you can get a restraining order any time, baby. So do my hair. Like, shit piss me off for real. And child, I got my deposit back, everything. I don't care. You straighten my hair, but you didn't do the taping. So, and I'm good with PayPal, baby. Now I am stuck in traffic. How lovely. I'm at Pure Hair in Dorville, child. I gotta go to a vendor. I went to Pure Hair in Atlanta. When I go home, I'll let you guys know if it's good. I don't know. I got 12A, which is the best grade other than raw. So, and I got 4 bundles of 22. They say you're not supposed to, like, you know, do the 18, 20, 22, because when your head is already gonna do it itself. So if you want thick, get all the same length. So I got 422, Chad. We'll see. So this is it. It looks pretty good. Got body wave. Let me tell y'all about my luck. Why did I get home, dyed the bundles, and they started smoking? Well, let me tell y'all, because you're like, Jordan, you can't do hair. I didn't dye the bundles. My mama, who can do hair, who dyed 280 of my bundles. Literally. She dyed all my hair. So it's not her. It started smoking. I've never seen bundles start freaking smoking. Like, I'm like, is this about to catch on fire? Like, it was literally like steaming. I said, what is this? Bundles fried. All my money down the toilet. Not me. Not the week I had. Not the week I had. So I'm going to give me my money back. But then it's like they try to ban me. I said, I told them I didn't want the money back. I just wanted 4 new bundles. And I just wasn't going to dye them. She was like, you're not, we don't want you to be like not happy with the quality right here. I'm like, just give me the dang bundles. My appointment is coming up. No, we're just going to give me my money back. And I'm going to go to your competitor. So I'm going to go to, my friend told me YG Hair. So I'm going to go to YG Hair and see. But I've been having the worst luck with hair. I almost, last night, when my bundle started smoking, I almost jumped off the balcony because I can't anymore. I can't. I see why Brittany's, well, I don't see why. Because we got to do some stuff. She's Caucasian. She wake up and her hair is straight. So I don't know why she almost cut all her, not almost, she did. But me, oh, I was about to, because I'm pissed. You don't understand how mad I am. Like, I've just had, like, I just hope this girl on Thursday, like, please just do my hair super, super, super pretty. That's it. Like, you don't understand the struggle I went through to get my hair done. I've been trying to get my hair done for 2 weeks. People probably think I'm lying. Like, but y'all see me at the salon. Secured the bundles. This place gives me more, but shout out to YG. I'm not using these cheap ass lashes, but I'll give them somebody in my family. A little braiding thing. And some little things. This is cute. I'm gonna put this when I get braids. This is the crocheter here. This again.
First things first, watch your tone. You're talking to a senator. You really should be honored that I'm your competitor.
She did great. Yes, 4 bundles. Now I'm tired. It's 11. UGA got me something for getting in. Let's see what it says. Oh, this is gonna be all over my bed. So cute. Period. We are going to, like, I don't look and learn, not look and learn, but just to see, preview the class at UGA. So I have on my red, like, yeah, my glasses, so I look all studious. So the class is an hour and a half. Like, I could have previewed it for 30 minutes, but go to the class. See, if I already paid my dang deposit, so if I don't like it too late, nah. But yeah. And we're gonna go in Zara too, because listen, the school is right across from Lennox. Like, this is about to be bad for me, but I'm about to go in Zara, see, because my friend said they do new drops on Tuesdays, so it's Wednesday, but you know, period. So we have an hour and change to go in there, so hopefully they got something cute. I haven't been to Zara in forever. This is cute, but why is this 90 American dollars? Like, American dollars? Who y'all think y'all are? These would have been so cute for Valentine's Day. This is cute, but I don't know if it'll be cute on me. These are spunky. Okay, hell no, I really like it like that. I don't feel like taking these big old freaking boots off, but these are kind of cute. These would be cute, but Chronicles is being skinny. What is that waist? I would have to get them taken all the way off. The front fit good. Do you like that? I thought this would be like more, I don't know. Secured. I have to go to Aritzia and come back. I know this time we missed the snow, but it is freezing.